Hello and good day everyone. I am Teacher Roan and welcome back to my channel. But if you're new here, please consider subscribing to my channel and also give a like to this video. Ngayon, ang pag-aaralan natin ay how to factor the trinomial of the form ax squared plus bx plus c wherein absolute value of a is greater than 1. Ngunit bago tayo mag-proceed, kailangan napanood ninyo or nalalaman ninyo kung paano mag-factor ng trinomial of the form ax squared plus bx plus c where a is equal to 1. Kung hindi nyo pa napanood yung video na yon, I included the link on the description box below. Now, if you're ready, get your pen and paper and let's go. Sa pagpa-factor ng ax squared plus bx plus c where absolute value of a is greater than 1, we use the slide, factor, and divide method. Paano natin gagamitin yon? So, let us have some examples. Pero bago ako magbigay ng example, ito muna yung steps. First, we slide a to the right by multiplying it with c. Second, we factor. Again, pinapaalala ko sa inyo, when we factor, we use the method that I had dun sa kabilang video, which I will link down below. And then yung third, we divide the constant of the factors by a and simplify. And then number 4, we slide again the remaining denominator as a coefficient of x. So, let's proceed to the examples. So, examples. Factor. So, for number 1, we have 2x squared plus 7x plus 3. So, the first step is to slide a to c by multiplying a with c. So, we have x, nawala na yung 2 dito sa harapan, and then plus 7x, and then 2 times 3 is 6. Alright, so that is plus 6. The next step is to factor. Paano natin ipa-factor? Katulad pa rin nung pagpa-factor natin dati. We think of numbers which are factors of c. Okay? So, i-identify muna natin yung a, b, and c dito sa bago. Okay? So, we have a is 1, b is 7, and then c is 6. So, think of two numbers na ang product ay c at ang sum ay b. So, ano ba ang mga factors ng 6? This is positive 6. So, we have 1 and 6, 2, 2, and 3. Or, both negative. Negative 1, negative 6, negative 2, negative 3. And then, we add. One plus 6 is 7, 2 plus 3 is 5, negative 1 plus negative 6 is negative 7, and then negative 2, negative 3, okay, is negative 5. Alin dito ang equal sa b? Alright, tama. Ito ay ang 1 plus 6. So, we are going to write x plus 1 times x plus 6. Pero, hindi pa dito natatapos. Diba, ang ating paraan ng pagsosolve ay slide, factor, and divide. Okay, so, saan natin i-divide? I-divide natin dun sa original na a, which is 2. So, we divide both sides by both the factors, okay, by 2. So, we have x plus 1 half times, and then this one, you have to simplify. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Okay, and finally, we are going to slide back A. Dito sa kabila, wala tayong i-slide kasi ang i-slide natin ay yung denominator na natitira. Since ang 6 ay divisible by 2, wala siyang denominator na natira. So, we have 2x plus 1, x plus 3. Then, we already have our factors. Let's do the same in number 2. So, again, we slide 6, which is A, to C. We have x squared minus 11x, okay, plus 18, our new C. Okay, ang new A natin ay 1, ang new B natin ay negative 11, at ang new C natin ay 18. Okay, again, we think of two numbers na ang product ay C. So, ibig sabihin, pag minultiply natin ay 18, at pag inad naman natin ay equal sa B. So, this is now the sum. Okay, ano ba ang mga factors ng 18? So, we have 1 and 18, 6 and 3, and then we have 6 and 3, and then we have 9 and 2. Okay? Or pwede din yung negative nila. Negative 1, negative 18, negative 6, negative 3, negative 9, negative 2. And then we add. Alright. So, what is 1 plus 18? That is 19. 6 plus 3, that is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. Negative 1 plus negative 18, that is negative 19. Negative 6 plus negative 3, that is negative 9. And negative 9 plus negative 2 is negative 11. Ano ba ang ating sum? The sum should be negative 11. So, we are going to get negative 9 and negative 2. So, we have x minus 9 and x minus 2. And then, again, we divide by A, the original A, which is 6. And we simplify. 9 over 6 can be simplified as 3 over 2. Bakit? Kasi 9 and 6 are both divisible by 3. So, 9 divided by 3 is 3, and 6 divided by 3 is 2. And then 2, 6 is also reduced. You can also reduce it to lowest term. So, 2, 6, okay, 2 and 6 are both divisible by 2. So, we divide both numerator and denominator by 2. So, 2 divided by 2 is 1. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So, that is 1/3. And finally, we slide. Okay, dahil pareho may denominator, pareho tayong may slide. So, this is now 2x minus 3 and 3x minus 1. So, we have our factors. And finally, we have 10x squared plus 11x minus 6. Okay. Again, slide, factor, divide, and then we slide again. We slide A to the right side, and then we have x squared plus 11x, and then we have 10 times negative 6 is negative 60. So, our new A is 1, our new B is again 11, and then our new C is negative 60. So, again, we think of two numbers na ang product ay yung new C at ang sum ay yung B. Ano ba ang mga factors ng 60? Negative 60. So, in this case, this is a negative number. So, magkaiba sila ng sign. So, isip muna tayo ng factors ng 60. So, we have 1 and 60. 60 and 1. Okay, so 60 and then 1. We have 30 and 2. We have 15 and 4. We have 10 and 6. Okay? But this time, isang negative, isang positive. So, gawin muna nating negative ito. At meron pa pala 5 and 12. Negative ito lahat sa una. And then, we just repeat 60 and 1. Pero this time, ang negative ay yung kapartner niya na number. And then, we add. Okay, we add. Negative 60 plus 1 is negative 59. Negative 28. Okay, negative 30 plus 2 is negative 28. Negative 15 plus 4 is negative 11. And then, negative 4 is, negative 10 plus 6 is negative 4. Negative 5 plus 12 is 7. 60 minus 1, or 60 plus negative 1, that would be 59. 30 minus 2 is 28. 15 minus 4 is 11. 10 minus 6 is 4. And then 5, this is negative 7. Okay, so the sum must be positive 11. So we are going to get 15 and negative 4. Okay, so that is x plus 15. And then x is minus 4. And then divide both the numbers with a. Again, slide, factor. Okay, so we already factor. And then divide. Divide by a, the original a, which is 10. And simplify. So, x plus 15 and 10 are both divisible by 5. So, we have 3 over 2. Okay, and then here, x minus, okay, both divisible by 2, that is 2 over 5. And then we slide it back. So this is now 2x plus 3, and this is 5x minus 2. So there you have it. This is how we factor the trinomial ax squared plus bx plus c, where the absolute value of a is greater than 1. Pag-aralan maigi ito and do your exercises on your own. At sa susunod na lesson, mas madali nang mag-solve ng quadratic equation using factoring. That's it, and keep safe. Goodbye!